Hello affiliate marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reviewing YT Supremacy. Here I am inside of the YT Supremacy customer dashboard. This is a marketing course that shows you how to build authority YouTube channels and dominate search engine rankings for affiliate marketing or promoting your own products or services. So is this course any good? Anyways, inside of the dashboard they have their YouTube channels here, so let's check out. So this is one of the author, Chris, and he has 5,286 subscribers. Let's check out some of his videos. So I like it when these guys, the sellers, they actually put the money where their mouth is. They're actually YouTubers themselves and they're making a YouTube course, so that makes sense. It's more trustworthy. And let's see some of their videos. So they have 5,000 subscribers. They're getting hundreds of views, 1,000 here and there, which seems very realistic and real. Yup, he's doing a lot of affiliate review videos, which is what his course is all about, so that's a good sign. And here's his partner, Robin, 3,300 subscribers, and him too. They have a bunch of review videos and it's getting hundreds and thousands of views. And I really like their thumbnails. It's very catchy, and that's one of the things they teach in the course. And these guys look very legitimate. They have their own channels. They're doing exactly what they're teaching, so I like that a lot. So I'll be following this system myself. YT Supremacy teaches you how to set up your channel, build the niche, show your face or not, how to rank, build authority, and then other things like commenting, thumbnails, optimization, and then conclusions and proof. And let's check out the bonus video, and shows you how to create videos on a budget and Unicode text converter. I'm not sure what that's about, so they got some things here I don't even know about. That's good. And these case studies, this is actually an upsell. So the front end course only contains these lessons up here and the bonus video and the resources and tools, but the case study, creating affiliate videos, and the YT personas, these three right here are upsells. I would say this one, the YT personas, is how to set up multiple channels, and it seems kind of spammy to me. I think it's better if you just focus on one channel rather than multiple channels promoting the same affiliate products but using different accounts. It seems kind of spammy, and you need VPNs, virtual private networks, and things like that. Might be a little bit complicated to set up, so I do not recommend this upsell, the YT personas. So here's more about it. It tells you to use proxies to set up these accounts. So again, pretty complicated stuff and not newbie friendly, and I don't think you need it. I think it's better to do one authority channel rather than 50 to spam. So that's not a good upsell. The case studies, I think that's pretty useful to show proof and other things like how they make these high ticket sales review videos and launch jacking. That's for affiliate promotions or product launches, so that could be pretty useful. And creating affiliate videos, so I'm not sure how useful this is, but here is the content. If you're not sure about these topics like cloaking affiliate links, how to find products, video keywords, these are pretty basic stuff up here. But if you're totally new to making affiliate videos, review videos, then this could be useful but not really necessary. So I think the main front end and maybe this case study upsell is probably, I'll recommend those. And the video quality of their course is pretty high quality stuff, so let's take a look.
Hey guys, welcome to YouTube Supremacy. My name is Chris Derenberger and I am super.
So the course is pretty clear, it's straightforward, It shows you real actionable steps you can take. So if you want to get started with YouTube, making some money with affiliate marketing, it's much faster to start making money rather than trying to do the YouTube AdSense monetization, which you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which could take a year, 2 years. It took me more than a year to get YouTube monetizations with AdSense. With affiliate marketing, you can make money way faster than the traditional YouTube AdSense monetization, and the traffic's free. It does take a little bit of time to make videos and learn how to edit and make the videos, but the results are way faster than blogging, review blogs. So I highly recommend, for those wanting to work from home, YouTube is definitely the way to go, and I recommend this course for sure. YT Supremacy is new and it's pretty straightforward. Everything you need to set up affiliate marketing channel for any niche that you're passionate about. I definitely recommend you stick with a niche that you have a lot of knowledge about or have passion or interest about. If you pick a niche that just for the money and you know nothing about it and you have to learn more about it and you don't really care about it, it's not going to be fun for you and probably not going to be successful. So picking a niche is very important. You have to try to stick with something you're passionate about or know a lot about and can talk a lot about. Okay, so anyways, this is my review of YT Supremacy. I like it, I recommend it. If you want to get started with YouTube affiliate marketing, pick this up. These guys are great, good content, good tutorials. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and reviews. Again, my name is Leon. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy marketing.